We now go to interviewing guilt. Guilt is an extremely common emotion and a cause of disease in the West. A feeling of guilt may derive from transgression of social or religious taboos or from having done something wrong which is later regretted. People who are prone to blame themselves for everything that goes wrong also may suffer an unjustified and subjective sense of guilt. Guilt affects the heart and kidneys and causes qi to either stagnate or sink. It may cause stagnation of qi in the chest, epigastrium, or abdomen, and its clinical manifestations include an uncomfortable feeling in the chest, epigastric or abdominal pain and distension, and a fine pulse. The tongue will have a red tip, and the pulse will be vibrating as it pulsates. The eyes will look unstable and often flap shut while a person is talking. If it affects the kidneys, guilt may cause qi to sink, giving rise to urinary problems such as slight incontinence, dribbling of urine, and a bearing down feeling of hypogastrium. In some cases, guilt also may arise from repression of anger. When anger is repressed, not recognized, it may turn inwards and cause an attitude of self punishment and guilt. When guilt results from repressed anger, the pulse will be wiry. Guilt affects the kidneys and heart, may cause sinking or stagnation of qi. Thank you for your attention.